Today I'm popping in to do a really quick review on the Cozeware air conditioning unit. This is a mini split. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. So my husband and I are going to go ahead, give you a walkthrough of exactly what you get, how many boxes, and what's included. We are building our home, so we're really excited to use this in our bonus space. This mini split does come shipped in 2 individual boxes. So when you get it, it's going to come in the 2 boxes. You have your interior unit on this side, and then we also have the exterior unit on this side. So again, 2 boxes. Everything came shipped very nicely packaged. Everything came in one piece and in great condition, so that's always a plus. In the first box, you can see everything was wrapped really nicely. You have your unit, it's in white. On the top half of the unit, you'll actually see there's some screen in here, which is really great for keeping any kind of debris or anything out of your unit. So that is really nice to have. Everything is a very nice solid plastic. I love the look of it. It's very sleek. Doesn't have a lot of buttons or anything kind of muddying up the plate that you're going to have inside your house. Then in the second box, you're going to get your exterior unit. You have all of the wiring and everything that you need. The unit, again, comes very nicely packaged. Everything that you need is included, so that's always a plus. You're going to get all of the hardware and everything that you need to go ahead and get this installed. It comes with everything, so that is nice. You have drywall anchors and screws. As far as the exterior of the unit, you'll see it does have the brand on it. This part is made completely out of metal. You have the screen on the outside to kind of help protect the fan. Again, that grill is made out of metal, so that is always a really nice option. You have some handles on the outside, which really help for moving it. On the opposite side, you're going to find that you have the compressor or the condenser on the back half. Again, completely metal construction. So as far as the quality of this product and the makeup, I would definitely say it's a high quality product. I do really like the look of this unit. Like I said before, it's super sleek. It's just pure white, so you're not going to be seeing anything on the front that's going to muddy it up. It's also really nice because it does come with a handheld remote that you can use. So you can kind of install this wherever you want, even if it's high up on the wall. You have access to the remote so that you can use it that way. The unit also has Bluetooth capability, so you can hook it up to your phone and you can also use it that way.
This unit is a great idea if you're looking to do something yourself. You can save a lot of money that way. This is a good idea. You don't need a whole lot of skills to be able to install this unit. This actually requires very minimal skills, and the really nice thing about it is it comes pre-charged, so you don't need a special guy with a special service to come and charge your unit for you. It's already ready to go. You've got your pipes and everything, your refrigerant pipes that you'll need, and it's basically just a plug and play. So you're gonna install your unit, you'll be able to fasten all of your pipes together. And then the nice thing is with your pipes to kind of help keep everything nice and neat and tidy as you hide it in your walls and you feed it to the exterior of your house or your barn or whatever you're doing. You got a nice little tape here to wrap your pipes and kind of make things a little bit easier for you. So highly recommend if you're a do-it-yourself kind of person. This is not a product that's going to be way above your head or capabilities.
Overall, if you are in the market for a mini split, definitely recommend this. Very, very happy with the quality of the units themselves, the fact that you have, you know, the remote that comes with, that these are Bluetooth capable. It just has a lot of really nice features. And then again, very user-friendly for anyone who wants to kind of get this installed in their home on their own. Hopefully our review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall, we're really excited to use them in our bonus room.